You can go down. Did you put it on?
Yeah. No? Did I want it on?
Video registrare. Ok. Questa gira 2 volte. Dopo la seconda volta dovete completare ognuna di queste 3 minuti. Come on.
Good afternoon. My name is Concetta and my colleague is Flavia. Today we are going to talk about our innovative product. As you can see in our simple business model canvas, adapted to our research, first of all we will describe features and details about the product and we will show you some statistic research. In the second part we will to consider possible customer and competitor and our expectation about cost and profit. And finally, we will focus on advantages and disadvantages. Now, Flavia, we will talk about the product NW-Double.
NW-Double is not a chemical composition. It is a system to reduce the waste of water during while someone is having a shower. In fact, the name NW-Double means no water waste. In particular, this system includes a device with a timer that shows the available time, that shows the available time. But the most important feature is that the maximum time to have a shower is 8 minutes, and after that minutes, the water will be interrupted with the aim to reduce the consumption of water. At the 7th minute, a sound will alert you that the time is going to finish, and this system gives also the possibility to stop the timer in order to use the shampoo, the shower gel, and the bathroom, etc. And the minutes will run again when you will touch the timer. This system gives also the possibility to have every Saturday longer relaxed shower of 15 minutes. And every Sunday you could have a shower without the reduction of time. Now, Concetta will talk about some statistic research.
As you can see in this bar graph that we realize with the support of web research, the average time between men and women to have a shower is different. In fact, the blue bar shows that the men spend about 12 minutes to have a shower, and the women, and the red bar shows that the women spend 30 minutes to have a shower. Yes. And then linked to our research, we can say that the possible customer are both men and women, and in particular NW-Double is useful for largest family, for students' apartment, for all of residents and dormitory. Talking about the competitor, we think that the main is the water table. That only send the bright signal to indicate if there is or not a water of waste. And for this reason we think that the NW-Double is more efficient because there is a real setting.
Now let's consider cost and profits. As regards the cost of the system, which is incorporated in the grab bar and they are both installed in the shower stall, is about 800 euros. And if the sales grow quickly, we expect to make profits in 1 year. Now let us briefly summarize what we said, considering advantages and disadvantages. The advantages are, above all, the reduction of water waste and saving in the water bill. And it's a system environmentally friendly and the possibility to reuse the water.
And the disadvantages are high cost of installation and setup, and high cost to buy the system, and the possibility that people are stressed because 8 minutes, and the possibility that people could be in a shower with a shower gel, shampoo, etc. In conclusion, NW-Double is innovative, eco-friendly,
useful and instructive. We hope you enjoy our speech for your attention.
Yeah. Okay, now we have all the... I'm missing something. Okay. Very nice. Okay, very just to the point. So you can put this back. Thanks a lot. It's your turn.
Good afternoon, my name is Fang Xin.
And my name is Joanna.
Mhm.
We are so honored that we can have this opportunity to make our presentation. Today we are going to talk about a new application. And before we start, let's consider some questions. Have you ever thought that you can make a perfect travel plan without a travel agency? Have you ever imagined that you can make solve all the problems during your trip and by yourself? That's the amazing application named iTrip will help you. Now we divided into 4 parts, and I will show you the first 2 parts. Now I would like to explain what is iTrip and how it works. Firstly, choose your destinations where you would like to visit, and the iTrip will show you all kinds of attractions. You just pick some ones you prefer, and then it will show you a suggestion about your route map. Secondly, choose your date, and you will the iTrip will help you to book the most economy and reasonable tickets of air, train, and bus. Thirdly, according to your habits, the iTrip will provide different kinds of hotels for you to choose. At last, when you finish all above and press OK, the complete travel schedule will be produced, and every time it will remind you before you go off. However, these are not all for the iTrip. When you are hungry, open it. It will recommend some typical restaurants and nearby. And when you are visiting scenic spot and you don't know its history or culture, it is easy for you to find out the introductions with your own language in this application. In addition, it still has some characteristic functions, such as navigation, weather forecast, warning, dressing index, and offline operation. From all this, I think offline operation is the most useful function. Of course, the network will not available all the time during your trip.
After introduction of iTrip, I like to do the SWOT analysis. SWOT is short for strengths, weakness, opportunities, and threats. There are 3 strengths. The first one is individualization. Compared to traveling with travel agency, you can design your own trip. You can travel anywhere you want and anytime you like. The second strength is about convenience. iTrip will help you to do your own travel plan easier and faster. The third one is economical. It can save the cost of travel agency and the guide. And at the same time, you can have the discount from the hotels and the restaurants if you book them in this app. And the weakness, maybe you will find that the problem with this app is the design of this app will be extremely difficult because there are a lot of information. So, and the data update will be delayed. For example, the traffic jam, the temporary repair of the attractions cannot be considered before. And the most serious problem is the high cost. Information collection will cost a lot of money. And the opportunities of this app, the target market of this app covers a wide range of people, consumers. No matter you are young or old, rich or poor, you can just find your trip plan you like. And the second is less competition. In the market, there are few similar products, so that leads less competition. The third one is about the competition among the hotels and restaurants. The fierce competition among the hotels and restaurants leads the merchants willing to find new ways to attract the travelers. So this app will provide a platform for the merchant. They can use this to advertising in an innovation way. And the threads update the database to make sure the information is accurate is very important. If not, travelers will turn to traditional travel agencies.
Best part.
At last, I would like to introduce the profit mode. It is a platform between the travelers and the hotels and the restaurants. So its profit mode is different from the traditional business. There are two key ways to get. The first is the online advertising. We will provide advertisement space for the sellers and we can make money through advertising. The second is commission. We will get commission from the orders of the hotels and the restaurants. And in addition, I would like to add some more. As I said before, the information collection is complicated and waste money and time. So we like to cooperate with Google Maps for navigation, cooperate with booking for accommodation, and cooperate with Skyscanner for air ticket. So it can integrate resources to maximize the profit. That's all. Thank you for listening.
Thank you. Yeah, you're very concise and very precise and very sharp. Question for Dan.
I missed the start of it.
Oh.
I didn't really get what.
Ask for the objective.
Okay. Yes. What's the objective of your product?
It's a system to reduce the waste of water while someone is having a shower, and it's different than our competitor because our system. With our system, the water will be interrupted after 8 minutes.
How do you think women would react to your product? Would they
The
buy?
first time,
Would they
Is there
buy?
a warning?
maybe they need to be more confident with this system.